In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Pandadoc Same Document. This is a simple workflow you can use when you want to send the same document again but to a different person, or with updated recipient details. Instead of rebuilding the file from scratch, you will duplicate the existing document, update the recipient, and send the new copy. Start by opening Pandadoc and going to the Documents tab. This is where your drafts, sent documents, and completed files are stored. Take a moment to locate the document you want to reuse. It helps to confirm you are choosing the correct version, especially if there are several documents with similar names. Next, look to the right of that document in the list and click the three dots, sometimes labeled as Moreau. This opens a menu of actions you can take on that document. From that menu, select Duplicate. Pandadoc will create a copy of the original document, keeping the same content, layout, fields, and settings. This is important because it preserves your work and reduces the chance of missing a detail. Once the duplicate is created, open the copy. You should now focus on the Recipients panel, since the content is the same but the recipient information often needs to change. In the Recipients panel, click Manage. This area lets you control who is receiving the document and how they are assigned. Find the recipient you need to update, and then click the Replace icon, shown as two arrows. This lets you enter the new recipient details in place of the original person. Make sure you select the correct role if your document uses roles like signer or viewer. Also, take a quick look through the document to ensure any assigned fields still match the intended recipient, especially signature and date fields. When everything looks correct, click Send. Review the sending screen if it appears, confirm the recipient details one last time, and then send the document out. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.